Brixham, 1973. There's something special about family holidays caught on Cine film. The colours, the laughter. This reel takes us back to September 1973, when my grandparents packed up the family and headed for Pontins in Brixham, a seaside escape full of simple joys. First stop, the outdoor pool. There's my dad and uncle splashing about in the water. You can almost hear the echo of lifeguard whistles and the bustle of holidaymakers drifting across the camp. And of course, the famous little yellow train chugging around the site. Every holiday park seemed to have one, and every kid wanted the best seat. Here's my very young aunt proudly pushing a pram, ready for a grand day out in Brixham. Down at the harbour, my grandpa filmed the boats bobbing in the afternoon sun. Fishing boats, yachts, and of course, a full-size replica of Sir Francis Drake's ship, the Golden Hind. The family hopped aboard a boat for a ride around the bay. There's Grandma and my dad and uncle enjoying what appears to be a pint. Different times, though I suspect the grown-ups helped finish it. Back on land, artists sold paintings along the harbour. Seascapes and sunsets you could take home. I wonder what happened to this portrait of Grandma. Then into a cafe for ice cream served in tall glass dishes. A proper holiday treat. Returning to Pontins, the playground was full of families making the most of the sunshine. Here's the big swirly slide, or a slider as we call it in Bristol. There's Grandma and my aunt on the swing. Then the seesaw with my grandpa. He's usually the man behind the camera. And here he is again, gently pushing my aunt on a swing. Here's my dad enjoying his time in the park and in the lake with pedalos. He's the man who converted these old cine reels into the digital format we're watching today. I'll share an interview about how he did that very soon, So please do subscribe and hit the bell button if you'd like an insight into the technical magic. And in front of the restaurant were the trampolines. Kids would bounce sky high while parents finished their chips inside. Pure holiday magic. I'm glad my grandpa captured these little moments. The slides, the boats, the ice creams. They're the moments that matter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more of my grandpa's home movies and check out the playlists linked here.